Hey everyone! If you're a new parent or expecting a baby soon, this video is for you. We'll show you 10 amazing smart gadgets that bring modern technology into baby care. Get ready to discover products that can help with sleep, feeding, and monitoring your little one like never before. Number 10. Smart Baby Monitor. Most houses with infants have a baby monitor, although current ones are much more complex. Today's smart baby monitors provide audio, video, and other features to let parents stay in touch with their children from anywhere. Nanit Pro is a complete infant monitoring solution, not simply a monitor. It has high-definition video with night vision, two-way audio for parents and babies, and room temperature monitoring. Nanit tracks a baby's sleep habits, unlike other monitors. Nanit Insights gives parents individualized sleep statistics and advice to optimize their baby's sleep cycles. Parental alerts for breathing motion abnormalities are also available. Tech-savvy parents who want a complete picture of their baby's safety and comfort need the Nanit Pro. Number 9. Smart Cribs. Many parents struggle to create appropriate sleep routines for their babies in the early months, despite its importance. Smart cribs automatically lull babies to sleep, helping parents rest and promote good sleep patterns. Children's physician, Dr. Harvey Karp, invented the SNOO Smart Sleeper, a popular smart crib. When the infant wakes or fusses, the SNOO gently rocks and plays white noise. This automated response resembles parental holding and comforting, enabling the baby fall asleep without parental intervention. This innovation enhances sleep and helps newborns self-soothe, a crucial developmental milestone. Safety is also a priority with the SNOO's secure swaddling, which reduces the risk of SIDS. Number 8. Wearable Baby Monitors. For parents who want to keep a close eye on their newborn's health, wearable baby monitors are a game changer. These small devices are designed to monitor a baby's vital signs in real time, providing immediate alerts if something is wrong. One of the most popular wearable monitors is the Owlet Smart Sock. The Owlet Smart Sock wraps around the baby's foot and tracks vital signs such as heart rate and oxygen levels while they sleep. It connects to a mobile app, allowing parents to monitor these stats remotely. If the monitor detects any irregularities, such as a drop in oxygen levels or a spike in heart rate, it sends an alert to the parent's smartphone. This level of monitoring is particularly reassuring for parents who are concerned about SIDS or other health issues. The Owlet gives parents the peace of mind that they can sleep soundly knowing their baby's vital signs are being monitored around the clock. Number 7. Smart Thermometers. Fever is one of the most common signs that a baby may be sick, so it's essential for parents to have a reliable thermometer on hand. Traditional thermometers can be challenging to use, especially with a squirmy baby, but smart thermometers make temperature taking easier and more accurate. The Kinsa Smart Thermometer is a highly regarded option for new parents. This thermometer offers quick, accurate readings and syncs with a smartphone app to track the baby's temperature over time. The app also provides health guidance based on the baby's symptoms, helping parents determine whether they should call a doctor or continue monitoring at home. The Kinsa Smart Thermometer is particularly useful during cold and flu season, as it allows parents to detect fevers early and keep track of any changes in the baby's condition. Number 6. Baby Food Makers. When it's time to introduce solid foods to a baby's diet, many parents prefer to make their own baby food to ensure it's fresh, nutritious, and free from preservatives. However, preparing baby food can be time-consuming, especially for busy parents. Smart baby food makers simplify the process by combining multiple functions into one device. The Biba Baby Cook is a popular smart food maker that allows parents to steam, blend, defrost, and reheat baby food with ease. It can prepare everything from pureed vegetables to fruit smoothies, all with the touch of a button. The Biba is perfect for parents who want to ensure their baby is getting healthy, home-cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Additionally, it allows parents to control the ingredients and consistency of their baby's food, which is particularly important for babies with allergies or sensitivities. Number 5. Smart Bottle Warmers. For parents who bottle feed, a smart bottle warmer can be a lifesaver. Getting the temperature just right, especially in the middle of the night, can be tricky, but smart bottle warmers take the guesswork out of the equation. The Baby Brezza is one such smart bottle warmer that heats formula or breast milk to the perfect temperature without overheating or creating air bubbles, which can cause gas in babies. The Baby Brezza can be controlled via Bluetooth, allowing parents to operate it from their smartphones. This is particularly useful for those middle-of-the-night feedings, as parents can have the bottle ready before they even get out of bed. Additionally, the Baby Brezza ensures that the bottle is warmed evenly, preventing hot spots that could burn the baby's mouth. Number 4. Baby Sleep Aids. Creating a soothing sleep environment is crucial for helping newborns settle into a healthy sleep routine. Smart sleep aids combine various features like sound machines, night lights, and sleep trainers to make bedtime easier for both babies and parents. The Hatch Rest is a versatile sleep aid that offers white noise, lullabies, and a customizable nightlight. The device can be controlled through a mobile app, allowing parents to adjust the settings remotely. The Hatch Rest also includes a time to rise feature, which can help teach toddlers when it's okay to get out of bed. As a result, this device grows with the child, transitioning from a baby sleep aid to a tool for sleep training. With its soothing sounds and gentle lighting, the Hatch Rest promotes a calm, comforting environment that helps babies fall asleep and stay asleep longer. Number 3. Digital Diaper Sensors. Changing diapers is a constant part of life with a newborn, but it's not always obvious when a diaper needs changing, especially during the night. That's where smart diaper sensors come in. These tiny devices attach to a baby's diaper and send alerts to a parent's phone when the diaper is wet. The Pixie Smart Diaper Sensor is one such gadget, designed to take the guesswork out of diaper changes. By monitoring the moisture level in the diaper, it helps prevent diaper rash and keeps the baby comfortable. The Pixie sensor is particularly useful for nighttime use, as it allows parents to avoid unnecessary wake-ups and only change the baby when it's needed. It's a small, simple device that can make a big difference in keeping babies happy and comfortable. Number 2. Smart Humidifiers. Newborns are more susceptible to respiratory issues, especially during cold and flu season. Keeping the air in the baby's room at the right humidity level can help prevent congestion and promote easier breathing, particularly during sleep. The Vicks Smart Wi-Fi Humidifier is a popular choice for parents looking to improve the air quality in their baby's nursery. This device allows parents to control the humidity level remotely via a smartphone app. Some models also offer aromatherapy features, allowing parents to diffuse essential oils that help with congestion or relaxation. By maintaining the right humidity level. Number 1. Smart Strollers. When it's time to venture out of the house with a newborn, smart strollers can make the journey much easier. These high-tech strollers are designed with features that enhance safety, convenience, and comfort for both the baby and the parent. The 4Moms Moxie stroller is a perfect example of how technology can improve traditional baby gear. This stroller has self-charging wheels that generate power as you walk, which can be used to charge your phone or other devices. It also includes headlights for nighttime strolls, an LCD dashboard that tracks your speed and distance, and adjustable suspension for a smooth ride. With smart strollers like the 4Moms Moxie, parents can enjoy the convenience of modern technology while ensuring their baby is safe and comfortable. That's it for today's video. If you found these gadgets helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which one you'd love to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and baby care advice.